Before starting this project, you should have made at least one pot or bowl using the coil method so that you know how to build something with coils. In this project, you can really get creative and go crazy with coils. Although the two top images here of pots from the mound builders culture are decorated with slip, and the bottom two are decorated with incising, which is basically scratching into the pot, coating the scratches with a different color of slip, and scraping the excess slip away, leaving the designs you see on the bottom two pots. You can use these swirling designs as inspirations for your own coil decorated pots. How many ways can you think of to decorate a pot using its own coils? You can make all kinds of swirling designs on them. You just let the coils show on the outside in selected areas. Be sure to smooth them on the inside, however, so that they will be strong. You don't want your pot falling apart in the kiln. Since you'll be making a pot, it is important that you know what the parts of a pot are. The parts of a pot are lip, mouth, neck, shoulder, belly, underbelly, and foot. You might want to make a sketch of a pot and label it. You should know the parts of a pot. Refer to your parts of a pot and draw some different shapes of pots that you think you might like. After you've decided on the shape of your pot, you can start to decide where to let the coils show. You can make all kinds of interesting designs with the coils and fit them into the design of the pot as you make it. Once you've considered where and how to make the coils show, start building. You start a coil pot in the same way that you start a coil bowl. Make the hamburger patty shape, add a coil, and start to smooth. As you build your pot, be sure to smooth at least the inside of all of the pot, and smooth as you build. If you wait too long to smooth the coils, they may get too hard to smooth. When you're done with the pot, add the foot, as you did with the coil bowl lesson if you did that one, by turning it upside down and adding a coil for the foot. Wrap the whole pot loosely in plastic, covering the top well and leaving the bottom very loose. This will allow it to dry slowly from the bottom up. When dry, the piece can be fired and painted, or dipped in glaze and fired again. Medium to dark colored glazes that break over higher surfaces a bit will accentuate the coil design. Be creative. Here's an image of another mound builder piece. And these are the extraordinary pots of some of my students, inspired by the pottery of the mound builders. I know yours will be extraordinary too.